The next dare is to take everything in my fridge and put it in a glass and eat it. It's payback for another dare I did to my friends, so here it goes. Alright. Going to the fridge. Fuck. Let's see. I'm not gonna do the top shelf. Maybe I'll do the cream cheese, but I can't do the hot dogs or the butter because my dad will kill me, or the eggs. There's my fridge. Alright, here it goes. Dramatic cup. Let's see, we have salsa, Parmesan cheese, bacon bits, Italian dressing, which looks really old and gross, and I'll probably get food poisoning from it. Same thing, but French dressing, ketchup, mayonnaise, barbecue sauce, Worcestershire sauce. See, Sarah, I can pronounce it right. Blue cheese dressing, syrup, and a soy sauce. That's it. No jelly. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera here. You're probably looking at my boobs right now. Or wait, let me put it up here. Alright. That's so gross. I'll start with the ketchup. Put a little bit of ketchup in here. Cheese dressing. Mmm, delicious. Oh god. Syrup. Oh, that looks so delicious. Can't wait to drink this. This is new. I'm not getting that open until after. Like, what's the expiration date on this? April 18th, 09. Okay. Worcestershire sauce. Oh, that got everywhere. Okay. Yeah. I love the smell of that. Oh, honey barbecue sauce. Yum. My favorite. Oh, just looks so good. I'm so looking forward to drinking this. Oh, I probably said that before. Oh, Parmesan cheese. That's gonna give it a good taste. Same with the bacon bits. Put a few of those in there. Watch, this ends up tasting good. This stuff I don't think you're supposed to eat, but you know, it's in my corner, so fridge thingy. Oh, gotta get the mayonnaise. Oh, brand new thing of mayonnaise. Well, will you look at that? Tasty. Get a little bit of that in there. Salsa. That's not coming open. Some of this shit is really old. Okay. Oh, this smells so good. Oh, yum. Look at that. Oh. Yummy. Alright, let me get some water so when I do throw up, okay. I haven't even taken it. Not bad.